Once upon a time, in a small, picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and a crystal-clear river, there lived a woman named Alia. Alia was known far and wide for leading a life that was, as some described it, secretly happy. From the outside, Alia's life appeared quite ordinary. She lived in a cozy cottage by the riverbank, grew her own vegetables, and tended to a modest flower garden. Her daily routine was simple, filled with quiet moments of solitude and reflection. But those who took the time to know her understood that her happiness was far from ordinary. Alia's secret to happiness was her ability to find joy in the smallest of things. Each morning, she woke up to the soft melodies of birds outside her window. She'd step into her garden, inhaling the earthy scent of soil and feeling the dew-kissed grass beneath her feet. With a serene smile, she'd whisper words of gratitude to the world for another day of life. Her neighbors often watched in wonder as Alia spent hours with a stack of old, weathered books. She had an insatiable love for reading and cherished the world she could explore within the pages of those books. She believed that reading allowed her to live countless lives, learn from many experiences, and discover the beauty of imagination. Alia was a talented artist, too. Her paintings, though known to only a few, were exquisite masterpieces that captured the essence of the natural world. She painted the vibrant colors of a setting sun, the tranquil flow of the river, and the intricate details of a single wildflower with such precision that anyone who gazed upon her work felt a deep sense of peace. But Alia's secret happy life was not just about solitary pursuits. She also opened her heart to her neighbors and friends. She often hosted gatherings in her cottage, where laughter and shared stories filled the air. Alia's friends marveled at how she managed to find joy in even the most challenging of times. One crisp autumn evening, she gathered everyone around a bonfire, and under the starlit sky, she shared her philosophy of happiness. She spoke of the importance of finding beauty in everyday moments, nurturing one's passions, and cherishing the connections between people. Her words resonated deeply with those who listened, and they left her gathering with newfound appreciation for the simple, secret happiness that Alia embodied. As the years passed, Alia's influence grew, and her village became known as a place of contentment and serenity. People traveled from near and far to experience the joy that Alia had cultivated in her life. One day, when she was in the autumn of her own life, Alia sat by the river, watching the sun dip below the horizon. She felt a profound sense of contentment, knowing that she had lived a life filled with happiness, and she had shared her secret with the world. In the end, Alia's secret happy life wasn't a mystery at all. It was a beautiful reminder that happiness could be found in the ordinary, that joy could be cultivated from within, and that the true secret to a happy life was to embrace each moment with gratitude and love. As Alia continued to embrace her secret happy life, her influence spread beyond the village. News of her wisdom and serenity reached people in distant lands. Strangers wrote to her, seeking her guidance on how to discover their own hidden sources of happiness. Alia graciously replied to each letter, offering words of encouragement, sharing her experiences, and reminding them that happiness resided in their hearts. One summer, a group of university students embarked on a journey to meet Alia. They had heard about the woman who lived a life filled with contentment, and they were eager to learn her secrets. Alia welcomed them with open arms, and for a week, they lived in her village, experiencing her way of life. Under her guidance, they learned the art of mindfulness, how to appreciate the simplest of pleasures, and the importance of nurturing their passions. Alia's wisdom left a lasting imprint on each student, and they returned to their respective homes with a newfound perspective on life. Over the years, Alia's small cottage by the river became a hub for seminars and workshops on happiness, mindfulness, and gratitude. She shared her secret with countless others, helping them find their own paths to joy. As she aged gracefully, Alia became known as a living legend in her village. Her garden flourished with flowers, her paintings adorned the homes of many, and the laughter that filled her gatherings continued to resonate. She had become a living testament to the philosophy that happiness is not the absence of problems but the ability to find joy in the midst of them. One winter's night, with the snow gently falling outside her cottage, Alia peacefully passed away in her sleep. The news of her passing spread throughout the village and beyond. Her funeral was a celebration of her life, a testament to the happiness she had shared, and a reminder that her legacy would live on. In her honor, the village established the Alia Foundation for Happiness and Well-Being, which aimed to spread the principles she had taught to people worldwide. Her story was written in a book, Alia's Secret to a Happy Life, which inspired countless readers to embrace the beauty of simplicity and gratitude. Alia's secret happy life, once known only to her, had become a beacon of light for those seeking contentment and joy. Her wisdom echoed through the years, reminding us all that happiness can be found within our hearts, and it is a secret worth sharing with the world.